Hey everyone, it's me Joffrey and welcome back to my tech reviews. Have you heard the all-new Huawei Y7A is going to come to the market? In this video, I will take you through first on some of the top features of Huawei 7A. So come on guys, let's jump into the video. The Huawei Punch Full View display on Y7A provides you a wider visual experience with a large 90.3 screen-to-body ratio that allows you to have exceptional visual experience for your favorite movies or games. The AI quad-back camera setup with an ultra-wide angle 8-megapixel camera, a 48-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel depth lens, and another 2-megapixel macro lens, which brings you the capability of capturing super clear shots for sweeping landscape, distant landmarks, and close-up scenes for all your photography needs. Huawei Y7A is equipped with a large 5000 battery and a 22.5-watt supercharged technology that can charge the phone from 0 to 53% in just a matter of 30 minutes. With this, you never need to worry about running out of battery or keeping charging your phone anymore. Huawei Y7A can meet your multitasking needs with enough space for all your favorite apps, images, videos, and games with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The advanced file system from EMUI 10.1 will also manage your phone resources intelligently to provide you more efficiency with the large storage space. Hope you will like the top 4 amazing features from Huawei Y7A. It is coming on 29th of October in UAE, so don't miss the chance to experience it in any local stores. So stay tuned guys, thanks for watching, peace out.